Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. We're here on deck 14 and we're here at the Solarium. Sorry, I had a little camera snafu there. As you can see, it's an adults only area. You have to be 16 and older to get to the Solarium. So it's a real nice, quiet area. Alright, check this out. It's like a beautiful tropical retreat. As you can see, we're here in Fort Lauderdale. But this is the Solarium. We've got several hot tubs and wading pools. Of course, you got your own bar. And this little lady has been hanging out in this floaty the whole cruise. Yep. There she is. Got this cool little bottom soaking area here. And the wading pool's up there. And hot tubs. Lots of seating. Yeah, look at that. Don't you just want to jump in? Push this little button here, and the door doesn't open, so we can do it manually. We're on the port side bridge wing. Got this beautiful view of the port. Yep. It's quite a beautiful layout they have here. Really nice, well thought out. Good bit of room. And there you have it. That's the Solarium on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you On board soon.